Dear students, welcome to the 36th session of Accounting 1 subject of the first semester BBA of Maghrad University. In this class, we are going to solve a problem on bank reconciliation statement. The problem is all about the cash book of Mr. Ashok, which showed a balance of 48,400 as on 31st May 2017. On investigation, it is found that check drawn amounting to rupees 16,800 has not been presented to the bank for the payment. Check for rupees 14,400 entered in the cash book as paid to bank had not been credited to the bank. The receipt side of the cash book has been undercast by rupees 4,000. The bank charges of rupees 200 entered in the bank statement has not been entered in the cash book. A check of rupees 10,400 drawn on this account had been charged by the bank by mistake to another account. A dividend of rupees 1,200 paid directly to the bank has not been entered in the cash book. A check for rupees 2,800 received from Mr. Amar paid into the bank had been dishonored, but no entry has been made in the cash book. A check for rupees 1,680 drawn by another customer of the bank had been charged to Ashok's account by error by bank. You are required to prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st May 2017. This is the problem. So the starting point in this case, we start preparing bank reconciliation statement with the cash book balance of 48,400 and will add or deduct the adjustments as and based upon the effect of these transactions on the passbook balance when compared to the cash book. So if the error or if the reason quoted results in increase in the cash book balance compared to passbook, we will deduct it. If the reason given results in decrease in the cash book balance when compared to passbook, we will add it. Now let us see the effect of the transactions given here. A check has been drawn for an amount of rupees 16,800 which has not been presented to the bank for payment. We have made a payment of 16,800 by check. The moment we make the payment of 16,800 by check, in the cash book payment side we will record it, and because of which the balance as per cash book will go down or will reduce. But as the check has not been presented to the bank for the payment, bank passbook balance has not reduced. So the effect is cash book shows a lesser figure, lesser balance compared to the passbook balance. Hence, to arrive at the passbook balance, we will add the amount of 16,800 to the cash book balance. So you can see the checks drawn but not presented for payment has been added here. The second one, check of rupees 14,400 entered in the cash book as paid into the bank but has not been credited. We have deposited a check of 14,400 which has resulted in increase in the cash book balance. However, as the amount has not been credited by the bank, the passbook balance will be lesser compared to the cash book. So, to arrive at the passbook balance, we shall reduce 14,400 from the cash book balance to arrive at the passbook balance. So, 14,400 shall be deducted because cash book shows a higher figure compared to passbook. So, to tally the cash book with the passbook, we will reduce 14,400 from the cash book balance. The receipt side of cash book has been undercast by 4,000. Receipt side means the side which adds up or which increases the passbook cash book balance has been undercast. That means total less, because of which my receipt side is showing less, because of which in turn my cash book bank balance will come down when compared to the passbook balance. So 4,000 needs to be added back to increase the cash book balance. So as to match with the passbook balance, 4,000 has to be added. Receipt side of cash book has been undercast, so add 4,000. Next, bank charges of rupees 200 entered in the bank statement has not been entered in the cash book. The banker has charged our account. That means 200 rupees has been taken away from my account by the bank towards bank charges, because of which my passbook balance has reduced. However, as the cash book has not been recorded with this particular entry, my cash book balance will show a higher figure compared to passbook balance. So, to arrive at the passbook balance, 200 rupees shall be deducted from the cash book balance so as to arrive at the passbook balance. which we have reduced here. You can see bank charges not recorded in the cash book. The next one is a check of rupees 10,400 drawn on this account has been charged by the bank by mistake to another account. We have drawn an amount of 10,400 from our account. However, the banker has given the charge to some other account. That means ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು 10,400 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತೆಗೆದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನವರು ಆ 10,400 ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅನ್ನುವ ಹಾಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Because of which my cash book balance will be lesser compared to my passbook balance. To check whether my passbook balance can be arrived at, after considering this error, I add 10,400 to my passbook cash book balance. Next, 1,200 rupees dividend has been paid directly to the bank, not entered in the cash book. 1,200 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹಣ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಗೆ ಸರಿದೂಗಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ನ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ 1,200 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1,200 ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ bank. Next one is check for rupees 2,800 received from Amar paid into the bank has been dishonored, but no entry has been made in the cash book. ಅಮರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ 2,800 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣ 2,800 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಚೆಕ್ ಡಿಸಾನರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಮರ್ನಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹಣ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಸಾನರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ 2,800 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಡಿಸಾನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚೆಕ್ so as to arrive at the passbook balance. The next one is a check of rupees 1,680 drawn by another customer of the bank has been charged to Ashok's account. So ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೋ 1,680 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನ ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ತೆಗ್ದ 1,680 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ತೆಗೆಯದಂತಹ 1,680. So we have not taken away 1,680, but still our account has been charged by 1,680, because of which ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ 1,680 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ 1,680 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, 1,680 ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಅರೈವ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್. So you can see that 32,400 amount has been added and an amount of 19,080 has been reduced from the cash book balance to arrive at the bank balance as per the passbook. So these are few problems which we have discussed about on differences between cash book balance and the passbook balance and preparation of bank reconciliation statement. Thank you.